So today we are continuing to build our outreach. So, figured out a couple things. One, what we're going to do. We're going to contact influencers for partnerships. Claimable profiles in the front end, great idea. It's going to take a little time to build. Okay, we're doing actually content about creating a startup with AI, but we need some outreach. And here we're at find creators based on tech stack. So I thought originally ConvertKit would actually be an easy indicator of this. It turns out it's actually not super easy to find out who's using it, and also a lot of the creators that I'm targeting feels like a lot of the B2B stuff actually isn't really on ConvertKit. Could be wrong. I'm sure there's a subset there. But I want to start out pretty specific. So where for B2B means I don't need a creator that's not B2B. So I think actually, funny enough, it occurred to me that some of the stuff I read and other people read, Substack and Beehive, there's a lot of newsletter-driven B2B content now. And I think that's where we really need to go. And why is my chat not showing? So let me bring up the chat a moment before I do anything else. Maybe. Scene list, yeah, this is right. Chat, where are you? Here we go, chat. Maybe. Yes, there we go. Again, yeah, perfect. Okay, cool. So, that's where we are right now. So, coming to the realization that Substack and Beehive are probably the way to go. Now, eventually, I want to expand this to marketing agencies that work kind of on the B2B side, especially with some influencers. I think that's going to be a good one for us too, but that's going to be a little later. They probably need a product that's a little more built out actually to go to their customers with. And right now we're not there. Like, I'm trying to get in touch with people that want to contribute to the future of the product and probably will become users because they're invested in it and can make some money from it and can help with the direction, right? So, looking at, and I'm keep looking over because my dogs are being nuts and I don't know what they're doing. But, so looking at some of this, what we have, and actually let me hang on a moment. I'm going to put this out of the way. Okay. Cool. So far, here's what we have for influencers, and we have a decent amount of them, but my goal is to really get to like 100 to reach out to. So let's get there. And there are a couple ways we can do it, but I started to do it on LinkedIn. One thing is to search kind of like viral posts on LinkedIn and who's writing them. It's maybe a little harder to do. Somebody's supposed to send me actually a database of that stuff. So if anybody has a database that they want to send me, that'd be amazing. Oh, and my dogs are go. Something happened to a dog. Be right back. What happened to a dog? We all okay? We're all okay. Can we stop? Dogs. Okay. We're fostering one, so, it's always fun. And always something going on with them, right? Okay. So, I think, do I already have? No, I have not. So, Emily Kramer. And I'm just wondering also, like, is there a faster way of doing this? I'm just not sure, to be honest. And I'm going to just put newsletter. I'm just going to copy this for the website. Don't know if there's like a better way to see. So what's interesting here though, in Substack in particular, is if we look at, here we go, like here's Lenny's newsletter. By the way, I didn't realize this, I looked it up. There was a post, I forget where it was, but it's like the top grossing Substack newsletters. Apparently, if you want to believe it, and it's from I think it's from Ahrefs, so I would tend to believe it's accurate. This newsletter makes him about $1.5 million a year, which is pretty impressive. So we have a list of followers, right? And Emily Kramer, of course, is one of them. So we have our subscribers, actually. I'm thinking I can probably scrape this, but I wonder if it makes sense to frankly scrape it, because not everybody is going to be even close to, like Dave Anderson. Who is he? ScarletInk.com. I mean, this could be interesting. I just don't know. Like, what do you actually write about, bro? Scarlet Ink, okay. So this is the problem. It's like, it actually, I mean, right now we're at the point where it's just going to take me, yeah, this isn't exactly B2B, but it kind of actually has that feel. I'm thinking it's close enough, probably that we can have them. But again, this is kind of the exact problem. It's like, all right, I find one dude. I mean, I can do this to 100, but I want to expand this. I'll have to figure out a way. So assuming, and actually I should note where I found these guys from in here, which is something I should have done before, but did not, because that way it can kind of give me well, it may not matter. Let's just do it. And then if a lot of these guys anyway come from Substack, then I can evaluate it later anyway. All right, I'm not going to overcomplicate this at the moment. So we're just going to keep going. Links. Here we go. Dave. I'm thinking I could scrape these. That might just be the way to do it. Unclear. And Scarlet Ink, of course. Okay. And any other links? Twitter, scarletink.com. Okay, close enough. Do I want to do these? Yeah, alright. I'll just quickly add the website. Oops. And I added two of them. Alright, fine. Good enough. I said good enough, but I lied. Okay. It's Dave Anderson. Yeah, so it looks like there's a lot of overlap, which is very interesting here. I think I've heard of Tom. Has anybody else heard of Tom? He sounds really, really familiar. Wiz.io. I don't actually know what that is. But I feel like new marketing ideas. This is interesting. Mega playbook. Okay. Praise-led marketing to go viral. Huh. Interesting. I like the 8-bit style graphics. I do some of that stuff too. It's cool. I enjoy it. All right, let's see if he has links. Tom, you're on LinkedIn. Good. try my newsletter. Yeah. Marketingideas.com. All right. Unclear exactly if he's truly B2B, but this again may be close enough that it's like semantics trying to separate these. Okay, one tiny growth hack. I mean, this is pretty clearly, it feels like SaaS type stuff. You got 10 influencers for $0. They're happy to do it. Yeah, exactly. Just kind of what we're trying to do here. And again, this isn't dumb either. We took a static image and just turned it into a video. Is there actually sound? No, there's definitely not. But LinkedIn's, of course, prioritizing videos. So what do? You just make a quote-unquote video. Not too shabby. All right, I like it. Yeah, and maybe if we look at who's actually commenting on some of this stuff. Okay, and then marketingideas.com. Copy. Come on, get in there. We're being a little slow, I think, because of OBS and everything running. Am I subscribed? Possibly. Quite possibly, in fact. Okay, I like this. I like this though. It's interesting. When was this? 2 weeks ago. Praise marketing. Okay. Which actually, this could be something to read, because I think in a lot of ways it's almost the premise of what we're doing here. Yeah. Praise them. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Well, this could be interesting, actually. I hadn't thought about using SparkToro, but maybe this is something smart. Yeah, this actually isn't bad. I mean, this is kind of an old strategy. There's nothing new here, but actually, yeah. Yeah, and actually, I mean, honestly, we're probably targeting at this point a lot of CMO type. So this actually could work super well. This is interesting. Let's see. All right, and then I gotta actually continue. Okay. Search your keyword. That's interesting. I mean, that's interesting. I'm very curious. Okay, let's try it. B2B. I mean, these guys are especially good Well, there you go. Now you have my email. But don't worry, it's the one I don't check. Kidding. Let's see if they make me. I don't know. We'll just pick something. Finish. I don't know, bro. There you go. This is the problem with some of this stuff. Nobody cares. Okay, no thanks. I mean, this is interesting-ish. I guess Forrester.com, but Mission B2B. Okay. What's actually interesting, because we are doing YouTube, so it's cool. Watch is hurting. How does somebody that searches B2B marketing use LinkedIn less than other people? That's interesting. Actually, I didn't even consider putting Reddit on here. This is all interesting stuff. Ian Cleary, okay. But Ian Cleary I thought was about productivity, not... Yeah, cannot recall. Oh well, whatever. All right, on to the next. Actually, do I have Rand on here? I think I do. Okay, so this is an interesting... Oh yeah, Larry Kim. He's probably not a bad one, but... Are they really B2B? I don't know, Larry Kim. Is this Leonard Kim or Larry Kim? Let's see. Oops, sorry Leonard Kim. I apologize. Totally different dude than Larry Kim. Okay, I mean, this is actually kind of interesting. So you might actually be legit. All right, I'll review those later. In any case, let's go back to Substack. All right, so I think I'm just gonna go down the list. Like, or do I really? I mean, I wonder if we can scrape it, and I think we can. I just wonder if it's worth it if I'm not sure about these, which I kind of am not sure about these. Oh yeah, Julie Zhao would be a good one. Okay. Alright, I think I'm just going to do it by hand and say screw it. Oh, I didn't know that she was at a different startup. What the hell is Sundial So? I mean, I like the... Yeah, I actually think demo with founder. Cool. It seems like they're probably pretty early on. But that's cool. I like the positioning. Whoa. One second. Oof, I think we're done with that. Hey, buddy. Okay. Mama 3. Anti-brand builders, yeah, okay. I think she's pretty good. But, Where are your links? How can I... Okay, subscribe message. Oh, wow. This is interesting. Okay. I wonder if I open this, does it make me sign in? Probably, right? But this is very interesting. All right, so actually, I'm gonna add a Substack link in here because honestly, I might be contacting a lot of people on Substack. So this changes that. This is a cool hack, and if we want to get in touch with a lot of people, all right. So let's go with the URL. Actually, I don't even want to share this. I think it's that good. I know that some people can. I think they can limit it to only if you're subscribers or a subscriber, right? So let's say Substack. So we'll just call it Substack. Okay, and I'm gonna put this right here somewhere. Especially now that I'm just working with it right now. Come on, dude. Let's go. Substack. Influencer type. Okay, let's just Substack. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of great. God, I wish this fucking UTM links. There we go. Which I know I do them occasionally, but it's annoying. Okay. So let's just keep going back. Good, better, best. Interesting to know. Here we go. Not bad. So this is interesting, right? Newsletter takeovers. That's actually kind of interesting. Which might be something we want to talk about doing. It's actually not in the marketing. Product roadmap. Let's just call this Rosie, what are we doing, dude? Can you stop? Maybe it's good. It's, well, it's almost platform expansion. Let's just call this like newsletter takeovers. Actually, it really belongs in marketplace development, probably. I think. Matching. It's kind of like a feature of that. Creator profiles. Yeah, let's move it. I'm just gonna put it here for now. Okay, I like this guy. And he has links. Makes it even easier. God, it feels like I should just scrape this, considering already like everybody that I've looked at feels pretty solid. Oops, and Rob, I'm sorry I didn't get your Substack. We'll put that in there. Okay. Maybe. Come on, guys. Let's go. Here we go. LinkedIn. Substack. Don't want to add any music that's probably, let's see. Well, yeah, whatever. Okay, so I can come back through some of these. Alex, Ben. Alright, already did that. Ooh, Sean Ellis. I haven't thought about him in a long time. So what do we do here? Okay, I mean, this is kind of... I think this is... Oh, Bite Bite Go. Interesting. System design and to educate engineers. That's cool. Obviously does a good job. Obviously has a big audience. Alright. Just Bite Bite Go. Alex. Shoot. Substack. Let's see, do you have links? You do. Nice. In fact, copy clean link. Come on. Yeah, perfect. And he has a YouTube. Even better. Twitter. YouTube. Can we message you? Totally can. That's amazing. I really like that. Focus chaos. Okay, building and investing in startups. Venture studios. Interesting. Okay. 10K subs. It's actually solid. Thinking more and more, maybe I should just start pulling Substack in too before it might be even easier than integrating LinkedIn. In fact, that needs to be on the product roadmap. Did I put this on here? I think I did. Future integrations. I did, but it's not there. Let's... It's BHIIV, I think. Pretty sure. Okay. You know what's going to happen is now, because LinkedIn outreach is getting harder, people are now going to go to Substack and just message people. And I'm not going to lie, I'm going to be doing it. But it's good when you're the first one to do it. And then it sucks when you're like the millionth person to do it. Highline Beta. No idea what Highline Beta is, but it's cool. It's actually interesting as we're doing this research anyway to figure out what other people are doing. Sean Ellis. Hello, Sean Ellis. I think. Yeah, but Sean. I swear Sean also. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it was somebody else. But in any case, Duolingo. Yeah, Duolingo is awesome. Generally. Although they have so many ads now, it's kind of insane. It's actually kind of an art that hasn't been taken on by other. I could swear. Hacking Grill. I really thought he had another company, but okay, whatever. And I probably don't even have to do all of this, considering I can enrich this later, but okay. For these ones I will, and then I'm going to stop at some point. Sean really doesn't have... I thought he had a YouTube. I'm sure he does. And this is website. Ugh, come on, dude. Don't duplicate. Thank you. Okay. Let's keep going down. Who do we have? Zach, Ben. So now we have a bunch of them open, so I should actually start just going through them. Is Kyle not on here? Maybe not. Come on. Except we can see everything's still loading. Dude, why is everything so slow? Might have to upgrade the computer pretty soon here. No, find please. Come on. Amanda Torres, what's up? Sorry I didn't see you in the chat. Things were a bit slow. You know, it's funny, I should probably figure out how to just keep the chat up here also, but it's actually kind of hard. I could probably put it on a separate monitor, but that's kind of what I'd have to do. And then anytime I click something else, there's got to be a way to do this a little better, but whatever, you know. Yeah, I mean, the lock docs? Is that what that actually... So if I click, nah. Whatever, it's fine. All right, so Sean, we're done with Sean. Wow. Zach Wilson, look at you. Okay. LLMs. Yeah, this is the joke, but okay. But clearly this is produced by, these images are all produced by some sort of LLM, probably ChatGPT. I think you maybe have enough GTM here, or not GTM, of a B2B kind of feel to it that this kind of makes sense. Oh wow, he's lots of stuff. Okay, let's go to YouTube. Come on. Dude. Okay, and yeah, TikTok. Well, I mean, suppose you could ban TikTok, but it screws a lot of people. Website dataexpert.io. Alright, Zach. See you later. Check in on the chat here. PLG advisor. Okay, nice. Martial artist, nice. All right, Ben. Maybe. Can we go in there? Oh, there's definitely some truth to that. Ooh, Product Like Geek has moved. plggeek.com. Cool. Funny thing is, it's like kind of need a platform like I'm creating to actually find these people to partner with and be interested in. Right? So it's almost as if I should build this first, but I need the feedback along the way. And technically there are platforms, if I wanted to pay for it, I could. And it might actually expedite this, but the problem is, one, I think they're like the legit ones I think are going to be kind of expensive. And they vet everybody, so I don't think I can just sneak in. And even if I were to pay, I don't think they're going to be extremely happy when the ultimate goal, but I mean, technically I'm not there yet, so the ultimate goal is probably to build something competing, but competition's good for everybody. And it's nice that actually there were actually more companies doing this in the space than I thought originally. It's kind of nice. It kind of proves demand a little bit more. Okay. Gonna go a couple more. This is actually taking quite a long time. It's just how it goes at first. Okay, Jared Herman. Here for the good times. Okay, Jared. But actually, he has like almost, 26k subs. Going global. Oh, so he does like breakdowns. And Postog actually is what I'm probably going to integrate. I've briefly used it at a startup. I don't know if anybody else here has used Postog before, if they really like it or not. Five Good Fridays. Okay. All right, Jared, you're on the list. Jared. links. Cool. Oops. Oh well. Hopefully it's the clean link. Which really, it should just default to that. If you think about it. But okay. No. Definitely didn't work. Copy. Clean link. Come on. There we go. This is actually interesting. I actually like Postdog a lot. Six pivots, very interesting. Wow. Sales territory CRM, okay. Wow, very interesting. But like all of these, they could have won in, probably. Yeah, definitely right. Oh wow, this is interesting. Okay, so it's a startup. Remove the paper month. Yeah. Already. Okay. In any case, probably going to be using Postdog. All right, on to the next. Can I close this? Let's see. No. Already did. Okay, so the growth loop. What does he write about? All right, I mean, this is... I mean, tech career, but he's also talking about activation metrics, so there definitely is... Well, this is interesting. All right, I think you can make the list, Eugene. Hopefully, I mean, look, in the end, anybody who's kind of writing about this stuff, there's probably a play here for, I don't know, somebody in the recruiting space to sponsor something like this, or I mean, there's got to be something there. They're definitely, it's not like a B2C product exactly, so. And actually, these are probably the kind of people that, like the smaller creators, that I can work with more and have kind of that one-to-one interaction. And that, frankly, the product will probably be more impactful for. Is who we probably need at first anyway. What did I say, LinkedIn? Oh, I didn't even get a Substack. Whoopsie. Okay. All right, Eugene. You made it. Feels like I should... It always crosses my mind either to automate this or to hire this out, because this is actually taking just quite a long time. But again, it's like, gotta be patient with the first steps here and just like do them, because otherwise I wouldn't know who these people are. I wouldn't have an idea of their product. Like, at least this way I have some conception of it. Positioning with April, I know I've heard of her, so this feels very sweet. Huh. All right. You look quite good in terms of B2B stuff. Oops. Here we go. Oops. Apparently I didn't get Ben Williams either. And God darn it. I just want... Okay. Let's just reload this. There we go. Yeah, some books. Cool. I'm super curious to test the outreach here. I actually think it's going to be pretty good. At least, at the very least, I think we're going to get a higher response rate from Substack than some of the cold email or possibly even some of the LinkedIn stuff. Like if they're this active and have these Substacks, I'm going to guess that I at least get a higher response rate here. But that's just general kind of gut feeling, which has definitely been wrong before. So, oops, that's not your LinkedIn. Oh well, we'll switch it. Come on. I'm wondering if other people have tried kind of Substack outreach. I actually didn't realize that you could message directly on Substack. Oh, come on, dude. Why are we freezing? Let's go. Well, here we go. Okay. Website and Substack. Oh, we already have that, so now we need LinkedIn and YouTube. Sweet. Glad she has YouTube. Makes it easier for us. I think though, if like the majority of these people are in this space and are subscribers, I think I'd be pretty safe to start scraping and then just reviewing, which may be the better way to go about it. Just put it all in a spreadsheet or Google Sheet, and then instead of kind of trying to find one by one here, we just have all of the links already. But that said, like, I don't know that I can grab... I mean, I know I have Elena Verna on here already, but I'm definitely going to put her Substack in here. She's probably one of the top, yeah. Okay. Let's see. Does she have any other links that I want to... Yeah. I don't think I have her website, so let's do it. A lot of these initial ones were kind of like off the top of my head and also from LinkedIn, so we just have the LinkedIn stuff. And Twitter. And Twitter. Whoa, what are we doing here? Okay, I definitely didn't click on that, but okay. Shoot, now I don't know where she is. There we go. Okay. And actually, I'll have to go back through her because, yeah, quite a big reach. product growth guy, helping PM product leaders. PM. Again, kind of the same thing. Like, it seems, but I think, did I have him on here already? No, they just use they're just referencing, that's why, because it's a collab. Very cool. Which is actually something that I want to implement that I don't know that really anybody else does, is allowing for creator collabs in a much better way. Oops. Akash Gupta. Okay, Akash, do you have any other links? LinkedIn. And let's see. We have any other comments? Yeah. Kevin's already on here. I know that for sure, but let's grab his Substack. Let's see if I can find him real quick. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Do I have anything else? Your LinkedIn's enough for now. Cool. Never heard of any of this. B2B sales. I mean, 20K. It's just... trying to figure out who your audience is, dude. Investing 101. Venture. I mean... Alright, I mean, it's not out of the question here. And of course, I have all these guys from Substack that I didn't get their Substacks. That's alright, I'll go back through it later. It's kind of annoying. Since of course I had it open, right? Growth gems, okay. Openers podcast growth, mobile growth. Yeah, I think probably yes. Probably yes. Onboarding, activation, monetization. Being subscribed by Tom, who definitely was in the space. Hello, little red one. What's going on? What you need, Rose? Yeah, I think once I finish this out, we're going to figure out how to scrape some of this and just get it in the list. Because I'm pretty sure it just makes more sense. In fact, I may stop here and say, yeah, we'll go through the rest of them, but I'm pretty sure it actually makes more sense to scrape it. because this is just taking me forever. No code founders, nice. Still 4 no code for huh. Very interesting. But this guy, solo founders. Very unclear to me. Like, I mean, I guess you could find a company that's like no code. All right, I mean this makes sense. Like Bubble or something could sponsor this guy. I guess I'm just gonna say JT. I mean, what links do you have there, JT? Here we go. Okay. Years to start learning 3-minute guides. Nice. Cool. Growth Advisor X Miro. Really? Okay. This is cool. PD review referrals. Alright. I don't have to see anymore. I think you're a good fit. I will say, I really like what Miro does in terms of team and emphasizing the onboarding in that way, like it's a team sport, all of that stuff, because otherwise they don't get to keep logos. And also it just attracts, like, I mean, you get more onboarding, all that good stuff. Because you're attracting a team, not just like an individual on a team. Which, unclear to me how big a part that's going to be here, part of this product. Doesn't feel like this is a logo-based product, but I mean, I guess it kind of is on the marketplace side, but again, like, that's going to come down the road. So maybe, I mean, I'm sure some sharing mechanisms need to be present, but I don't think it's instantly a team product at its core, not at the start. Nabil, I know I've heard of you, man. But 642 subscribers. Well, I feel like I've heard of him. PM Teach. Yeah, I definitely have. But again, I think he's not. Unclear. But maybe, I mean, I don't mind, just because I want like a mix of people at the moment, some with a little more, some with a little less. I know he has a community on Slack, which is also interesting to me, so. Okay. Probably do a couple more and then call it. Funny thing is, everybody I've gone through, I just could have scraped it. But the only way to figure that out is to go through. Dude, Notion, sometimes we're a bit slow. And this is definitely not. Gosh darn it. Come on, bro. Delete. Twitter's all the way over here. Okay. We have his YouTube. I'm sure I grabbed his LinkedIn. Yes. All right. All right, Emil. Next. Rex. Digital native. World is changing. Okay. Okay. Creator 3.0. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. I mean, it's kind of interesting, but I don't actually know what you do. Like, it's venture capital. And yeah, I mean, it is. It's got a big reach. And I guess this is also another thing. I mean, you obviously have like A16Z and things like that, and they're definitely influencers in the space, along with like the actual people, including Mark Andreessen, etc. So okay, Rex, you get to be on there. Why not? And we'll see how it goes. I mean, the truth is, I don't know who's always going to be most receptive to this stuff. And a lot of VC likes Twitter. Okay, done. I'm just checking chat. Martha Stewart, yeah. Yeah, this is. Oh, Stan. Yeah, oh, look, he already has. This, come on, is this not? I mean, that felt like a paid promo, or maybe they fund. That's actually nuts. I didn't realize Canva made that much money. Rose. Come on, Rose. Quiet. Good girl. This feels like he's promoting companies that he has a vested interest in, and that's fine. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. Huh, very interesting. Alright, anyway, keep going. Let's go. I want to finish up here. Gotta feed the puppies, grab a little dinner, chill for a little. Is she already on here? It feels like she might already be on here. Maybe not. No. Very interesting. I thought she was. Dude, dog, you're being nuts. What are you doing? Oh, Rose, what are you doing, dude? Rosita, what are we doing? Let's not do that. Can we not do that, please? I'll come be with you in a minute, okay? Almost done. Come here, come hang out. Come hang out, Rosie. No? Okay. LinkedIn and YouTube. Oh, and Twitter, why not? Like 4 more. Jake. Oh, wow. You have a ton of subscribers, bro. Who are you? Oh, crypto. Well, I mean, what do I care? I mean, I like crypto, but yeah, crypto bro. Maybe? Or is he more legit? I mean, this image does not make me feel that way, but okay. I mean, is this something where like a Coinbase would partner with him? Or, I mean, obviously talks about Web3. I mean, it's all right. I feel like he's not going to be into this, but okay. We can try it. Jake. Yeah, YouTube. And some Twitter. Get the rest later. Good enough. Good enough. Okay. GTM engineer. Alright, I mean, actually seems like he does some interesting stuff. Small audience. Again, it's kind of probably a dude that I think could work. Links. Oops. Oh well. I'll just get this first. Okay, some Twitter action. Okay. Last two. I feel like Boulder is already on my list, but okay, let's see. Really? Huh. Okay. And links. So if anybody tries some of the Substack outreach first before me, I'm super curious to see or to hear your experience with it. Because I think it's pretty, like, I'm gonna guess this is like LinkedIn, or not LinkedIn, or like Instagram outreach before, that got overwhelmed by everything. Then again, maybe they already get a ton of messages here, and I'm completely wrong about this. But I kind of feel like I'm not. And Tom, I think we already had you, but now I get your Substack. Pretty sure I didn't have you before, or have the Substack in there. All right. I mean, I'm gonna just do like a quick sampling. Tom Hunt, Tom, we're back. Where are we here? Here we go. I just want to do like a very quick random, just scroll down, like way down the list, and do like 3 more, maybe 4, why not? Okay, so I'm gonna guess Noah is not the dude. Well, okay. So maybe there's a cutoff here. Unclear. But then again, you have I mean, so I guess the I don't know, subscribers, but how's this any? I mean, I understand, like, they don't pay for it, right? But $22K subscribers, of course. But then you have this dude with 8. Who's written a little bit, not much. Yeah, I mean, very, very unclear to me. I mean, I would say it's pretty clear, like, somebody who doesn't have... I think it's probably still better. I just scrape it and then I'll just go through. Hopefully I can pull subscribers. Hey, Rosie. What are you eating, dude? What did you get? Something you shouldn't, probably. Alright. Yeah, alright. Good enough for now, I'm thinking. I'll scrape this. I think this actually is going to work pretty well. I'll go through and, like, probably go through a bunch of these guys, and then we can kind of keep it going to a certain extent. Maybe there's even like a list of, like, let's see, top nerd database of stack. Here we go. Thank you, Substack. You even have some of this. I built a Substack directory. So, yeah. Here you go. Here's some of this. It's also interesting. Okay, so we can probably take from here 25, which looks like, I mean, I knew there had to be something here. This could work. How many are they? Oh, they're gonna keep going. Nice. Leaderboard. That's exactly what I need. Leaderboard slash explore, discover, featured. Let's see if creators. I mean, it very much feels like. Okay, so recommendations. I mean, I guess if we. This is literally just not. Like, okay. So politics, sports, cultural for you. Fine. That's not exactly what I want. I wonder if we. Oops. Oh, whatever. I assumed leaderboard slash. Let's see if it takes me to something. Let's call it, just say B2B. And see what happens. All right. Yeah, I mean, okay, like, we can probably just keep going. I wonder, they don't actually make this super easy, but okay. Whoa, buddy. I've actually never looked at their site, funny enough. All right, anyway, I'm gonna call it a night because the dogs are getting super restless, and I'm gonna have to figure out how to scrape some of this so I don't have to do this over and over. But let's see if they, before I do, I'm just curious. Dude, come on. Creator Spotlight, okay, great. Web3 crypto business, okay. Ad network. Oh, wow. Huh. I didn't realize, I mean, it's smart. I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't when you've grown to be this big. But okay. Very cool. Creator Spotlight. I like how they stand out. Still though, how do I find, like, they don't actually have, I mean, yeah, they have featured creators, but yeah, just Creator Spotlight, I guess. It's actually kind of interesting. I mean, they don't actually promote their creators necessarily as much as some of the other platforms do, which is interesting. I mean, obviously, yeah, okay, but only so many. All right, whatever. So we'll start with Substack and go from there. Okay, well, definitely got some shit done. I'll come back hopefully with the scraped list, and I think I'm gonna start outreach on Monday, and we'll go from there. So I'll see you guys all later. Have a good night.